Hi there. I'm glad you're here. Tonight, let's embark on a journey together to find inner peace and calm. First, make yourself comfortable. Lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now, slowly exhale. Feel the tension in your body begin to melt away. Imagine you're standing on a serene beach at sunset. The sky is painted with hues of orange and pink. You can hear the gentle waves crashing against the shore. With each wave, feel a wave of relaxation wash over you. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them sinking into the soft, warm sand. Allow this warmth to travel up through your legs, your knees, and your thighs. As the warmth spreads, feel your muscles relaxing completely. Move your focus to your hands. Imagine a gentle, soothing breeze brushing against your fingertips. This breeze carries away any stress or worry you may be holding. Let this sensation flow up through your arms, your shoulders, and your neck. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your chest and stomach relax. With each breath, you're sinking deeper into tranquility. Now, visualize yourself lying on a soft, grassy meadow, surrounded by tall, whispering trees. The leaves rustle gently in the wind, creating a soothing symphony of nature. Feel the cool, fresh air filling your lungs, cleansing you from within. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any remaining tension in your face. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Allow a gentle smile to form on your lips. As you embrace this peaceful moment, imagine a warm golden light radiating from your heart. This light spreads outwards, filling your entire body with a sense of love and serenity. You are safe, you are calm, you are at peace. In this moment, there is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Simply allow yourself to be present, to rest, to heal. Take one more deep breath in, and as you slowly exhale, feel yourself drift into a state of deep, restful sleep. Know that you are loved, you are valued, you are enough. Good night, dear one. Thank you for joining me on this journey to inner peace. Sweet dreams.